Make your second-hand finds smell great again. You've probably heard the idiom "one person's trash is another person's treasure" before. This adage is absolutely true, especially in light of the recent 31% increase in the popularity of second-hand clothing. A common query while buying used is how to remove the odor of the thrift store from your pre-loved purchases. The majority of pre-owned products have been ignored and left unwashed for quite some time. You may wonder what's causing the odors. In essence, it's a combination of all the smells that the clothing has encountered over its lifetime. There will be typical stuff like oil, perspiration, and other substances while you wear them, just like most of your other clothing. But items from thrift stores have also come into contact with outside elements like food, personal care products, perfume, car exhaust, dry cleaning chemicals, and strong cleaning solvents. Don't let that make you uncomfortable. It's what your regular clothing is subjected to on a daily basis. However, some of these goods have been waiting for you to take them home and give them a thorough wash because they just haven't been washed frequently enough. Try these techniques to make your second-hand finds smell great again. 1. Vinegar spray. Mix 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar in a spray container with a mist spray. You might be tempted to add scent to hide that thrift store smell, but don't, since essential oils and fragrance can stain your garments. Put your clothes on a hanger and spray them from at least 2 feet away, front and back. Don't soak the clothing, but make sure you've sprayed all places with a light mist. You should hang your garments in a well-ventilated area for 24 to 48 hours. Don't be concerned about the vinegar smell. It will dissipate as the acidity subsides and any scents generated by bacteria are destroyed. Be careful not to hang your clothes in direct sunlight because the combination of sunlight and vinegar can bleach your clothes. It's suggested that you perform a tiny test spot first to ensure that your item does not react to any remaining chemicals or other treatments it may have received in the past. 2. Vodka spray. Combine 3 parts water and 1 part vodka. Don't use the costly stuff, a cheap vodka will suffice. Now, follow the same directions as the vinegar spray, making sure to lightly spray the entire garment. The fragrance, like the vinegar solution, will disappear after 24 to 48 hours and will destroy any residual germs hiding in those materials. 3. Bag it. Sealing used clothing on a hanger in a dress bag with some loose baking soda and letting them sit for a few days is another approach to soak up and get rid of odors from used clothing stores. Baking soda can neutralize unpleasant smells while restoring the fabric's pure original aroma. 4. Air out the garment. Another easy technique is to just hang your clothing up to air out before washing. Place in the fresh air coming from an open window or fan, away from direct sunlight. The majority of the time, clothes that have been hanging on a rack for months or even years before being washed just need to be aired out a bit. 5. Newspaper. Did you know that newspaper can be used to eliminate offensive odors? Simply roll up wads of newspaper and tuck them into the arms, legs, and pockets of larger items or clothing with thicker materials or linings, such as coats. Then, place for 24 to 48 hours in a garment bag. 6. Bamboo charcoal sachets. Natural deodorizers are commonly accessible on the shelves of grocery stores and even pharmacies. Bamboo charcoal packs and other natural deodorizer sachets come in a ventilated bag that you can put in a pocket, a garment bag, or even hang on a hanger with your clothing. 7. Kitty litter. Charcoal is a component of cat litter that can be quite effective at absorbing odors. For seasoned thrift store aficionados, burying dry goods in clean, non-clumping kitty litter and waiting 24 hours is standard procedure. It is not advised to do this with white objects because, in some situations, it could make the item appear darker. Before placing your clothing in the washer, make sure you've removed all of the kitty litter. 10. Light steam before washing. Place your clothing on hangers in the bathroom while you shower. The gentle heat opens up the fibers, much like it opens up your pores, and prepares them for washing and a deeper clean in the machine. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.